Mine has resulted in being much heavier real estate
Yeah,
than
because you
mutual
love
funds.
real estate.
I love real estate, but the other thing that happened was 2008.
Welcome back to Generation Gains. If you've ever thought about diving into real estate investing but didn't know where to start, this video is tailor-made for you. We're going to break down some simple, straightforward ways to enter the world of real estate. No experience required. Real estate has long been one of the most powerful and proven ways to build wealth over time. For generations, it has been a go-to strategy for anyone looking to secure their financial future. But what makes real estate so special? It offers two key benefits that you can't find in many other investment opportunities: appreciation and cash flow. Appreciation means your property increases in value over time, allowing you to sell it for a profit down the road. Cash flow refers to the steady stream of income you can earn, whether through rental payments or property sales. What makes real estate even more attractive is that it's a tangible asset, meaning you can physically touch it, manage it, and directly influence its success. It's something you can control, unlike stocks or bonds, where you're at the mercy of market volatility. Now let's explore how you can get started in real estate investing, even if you're a complete beginner with little to no experience. With the right strategies, you can start building wealth through real estate today. If you already own a home, why not use it to generate some extra income? Renting out part of your home is one of the easiest and lowest risk ways to get started in real estate investing. You don't have to buy an entire property. Simply rent out a spare room, a basement, or even a garage space to earn some extra cash each month. By doing this, you can help cover your mortgage payments while gaining valuable experience in property management. Not only will you be able to pay down your mortgage faster, but you'll also start learning the ins and outs of being a landlord, such as how to screen tenants, manage contracts, and handle minor repairs. This approach allows you to test the waters without taking on the large financial commitment of buying a property. Plus, it gives you an immediate income stream that can help offset your living expenses, making it a great first step into real estate investing. If you're ready to take the plunge into more traditional real estate investing, you don't have to start big. In fact, starting with a small property is often the best way to break into the market without overextending yourself financially. Consider buying a single-family home or a duplex that you can rent out to tenants. This is known as the buy and hold strategy, where you purchase a property and rent it out long-term to generate consistent monthly cash flow. Over time, as the property appreciates in value and rental rates increase, your wealth will grow. Buying a small property means you don't have to worry about dealing with a massive mortgage or managing a large expensive building. Instead, you can focus on learning the basics of property management, from setting rental prices to handling tenant requests. The goal is to hold on to the property for the long term, letting its value increase as the neighborhood or city grows. As you gain experience, you can eventually scale your real estate portfolio by purchasing additional properties. But starting small and steady is the key to building confidence and expertise in the field. Not everyone wants to buy a physical property right off the bat, and that's totally fine. If you're looking to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing property or dealing with tenants, our REITs, real estate investment trusts, are a great alternative. A REIT is essentially a company that owns and operates income-producing real estate. Instead of buying a building yourself, you can invest in a REIT and get exposure to a wide range of properties, from commercial buildings to apartment complexes. This means you're investing in a diversified real estate portfolio without having to buy or manage the properties yourself. The best part? You can get started with as little as $500. REITs are publicly traded on major stock exchanges, so you can buy shares just like you would with stocks. Plus, since REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, they can provide you with regular income through dividends. This makes them a fantastic option for those who want to dip their toes into real estate investing without taking on the responsibility of property management. REITs give you all the benefits of real estate investing: diversification, steady income, and long-term growth without the hands-on work involved in owning property. If you want to invest in property but don't have the time or desire to handle tenants, property management services are the answer. A property manager is a professional who will handle everything from tenant screening to lease agreements, maintenance, and rent collection. Property management services allow you to own income-producing properties without the day-to-day hassles of dealing with tenants. The property manager will handle all aspects of managing the property, ensuring that everything runs smoothly while you sit back and collect your rent checks. Using a property manager comes with a cost, typically a percentage of the rent you collect, but it's worth it if you want to avoid the stress of managing tenants yourself. If you're someone who wants to focus on growing your investment without getting bogged down in the day-to-day management tasks, property managers are a great option. This allows you to scale your portfolio without sacrificing your time or energy. Whether you own multiple rental properties or just one, property management services give you the freedom to focus on other parts of your life while still enjoying the benefits of real estate investment. So how do you actually get started with real estate investing? The first step is doing your research. It's crucial to understand the market conditions, property values, rental rates, and the potential for future growth in the area you're interested in. Look for neighborhoods or cities that are experiencing growth or redevelopment, as this is where property values are likely to rise. Focus on areas with high rental demand, as this will ensure you have tenants for your property. Consider looking at properties near colleges, major employers, or transportation hubs. These are typically areas with consistent demand for rental housing. Once you've done your research, you need to assess your financial situation. While you may not need to have a huge amount of capital to get started, you will likely need to secure financing. Most real estate investors start by applying for a mortgage. But if you're going the REIT route, you can get started with as little as $500, which makes it a perfect option for those who don't have large amounts of capital up front. If you plan to buy a physical property, consider looking into low down payment loans, such as an FHA loan, which can help you get started with less upfront capital. You may also want to explore hard money loans or private financing options, especially if you're looking to make faster, more aggressive moves in the market. Real estate is an incredibly powerful wealth-building tool, and there are many ways for millennials to break into the market, no matter their budget or level of experience. Whether you're renting out part of your own home, purchasing a small property, or investing in REITs, real estate offers multiple avenues for generating income and building long-term wealth. The key is to start small, do your research, and build your knowledge over time. As you gain experience and grow your portfolio, you'll be able to make smarter, more informed decisions that will pay off in the long run. Real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy, it can be a steady and profitable way to build wealth over the course of your life. So what are you waiting for? Start taking action today and unlock your first deal in real estate. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Generation Gains for more smart investing tips. See you in the next one.